Hi, welcome back to Create Your Art in 25 rice recipe series. Today we are going to make sambar rice. Please check out the video how to make the most tastiest and easiest sambar. Link will be in the description. Let's get started. Here I have taken 1.5 cup of cooked rice, freshly prepared sambar, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon asafoetida, chopped coriander leaves, salt and oil as required. Rice should be overcooked consistency. If it's not, then with a spoon mash it. Now add sambar and mix well. Taste it and adjust the salt. Temper it as shown here. I have added pinch of chili powder to make it spicy. Today I prepared sambar for breakfast, so sambar rice is for lunch. This is the most easiest rice to prepare if you have sambar. I have paired it with raw banana fry. It was delicious. See you in the next video. Bye.